Just want to make this video. My son bought a two plate spiral stove from the China shop. That one lasted me about 2 months. Then stove plates went down to, if I'm an electrician myself, obviously you can't clean the spill plate underneath the spiral stove plate, because it's not like the old ones where you can just lift up the spiral plate and take out the thing. So you can hardly clean it properly. So this stove lasted 2 months. Paid 172 rand or something for the stove. So then we went to Game and we bought one at Game. It didn't even last a month. Okay, when I bought it that same night, I wanted to, because you had to go into the internet to for the warranty and guarantee, whatever you call it. So I started doing everything, and then it wanted slip number. I've tried every number on that slip that I can. I even felt like trying the cell phone numbers or the telephone numbers. No number worked, so I just left it out. Today I just throw both those stoves into the dustbin. I got a China shop one that's got nothing to do one from Game. But you buy something from Game, you have to register the warranty or guarantee, whatever you want to call it, on the internet. But unfortunately, it wants a slip number. I've tried all the numbers on that slip. Nothing seemed to be the slip number. So please don't buy any spiral stove plates from Game. And if you buy something from them, let them register it.